Hello everyone. Today I have very popular dish famous in the south of Vietnam, that is pork kabob. It's done with rice paper, rice noodle, vegetables and fish sauce dip. You can see that I display them in very fun way. Two baskets with the pole connected that people use to hold to every street to sell. Welcome to Saigoncook travel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. Thank you. It means a lot to me. If you like the full recipe, click on the word more. It opens into description box below for the full recipe. I have 500 grams of pork Boston butt and 500 grams of pork base. And on the seasoning, if you don't get it fast enough, you can stop your device and find out. So I grind my pork myself, and I adding on the seasoning. For the pork, you don't need to grind too much because we have the base here. Because I added half of the portion ratio, 500 grams of pork and 500 grams of base. The base has the diced pork fat in it, and I mix it well with all the seasoning, and that's it. The reason I added the pork fat so that when I grill them, they are not dry. So after I'm done grinding, I put onto this sheet and pat the mixture down. I make it easy to roll the kabob and make them evenly. You can see I use a stick and I divide them into two parts and then go across them like so to make every one even approximately. So after I'm done with this, now each one is a kabob. So this is my lemongrass that I grow in the backyard. If you have room, land, or at least you have a pot, you can grow lemongrass. They are wonderful, and I use in my cooking, and I use to make tea, and it's very good for you can see a lot of benefits from lemongrass. So I pluck some from my yard, and I wash them and I cut them about 6 inches lengthwise. The length is up to you. You can make it shorter or longer the way you want it. So I scoop up each portion that I scored earlier and press them onto the lemongrass stalk, and I have my first kabob this way. It looks beautiful, don't you think? Now let's make the second one. You already divided and scored earlier, so it's very easy. You just scoop out each one and they will be even for you. You don't have very big kabob and you have small kabobs. They are on the same side. That's what you want. You can do different size, but to be uniform and look beautiful, you should do the same size. I absolutely need to do the same size because I have the YouTube channel. I want you to look at them and say they are beautiful. If you think they are beautiful, please let me know. Or do I need to improve anywhere? Please let me know in the comment section below. Now I think that they are even sizes now. That's all I did, and now they are ready for the grill or to make them easy to use. I steam them for 5 minutes. You can steam them up to 8 minutes. It depends on your pot. If you steam them all together, you can steam longer. And I do just a plate, so I do 5 minutes. You can see that I rotate them so that they sit nicely on my plate, and I have the water boiling, and that's it. I steam for 5 minutes. At this point, you can bring it outside to the grill if you have outdoor grill. If you don't, you can use a grill pan, or you can just fry them. All of them will be delicious. To make them look nicer, so I use the mixture of annatto oil and honey to brush over my kabobs so that they look nicer. People always love a little red, so I brought some out to grill over fire, and that's it. Now I'm ready to eat. This is my pickles, carrot, onions, and radish, and this is my fish sauce dip. You can refer to the recipe below for my recipe of making the dip. And I eat this with rice noodles, vegetables, and crispy spring rolls. Very delicious. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.